Good day everyone! Welcome to M3B Kitchen!
Masarap, mura at masustansyang pagkain.
So today, we're going to show you how banana pastillas are made.
I'm going to show you the 6 ingredients that we need to make a banana pastillas. First, we have skim milk, powdered milk, banana and flour, and cornstarch and condensed milk. Cut the banana so it will be easy to blend.
So now we're going to blend the banana to make it more smooth. Bananas are already blended, so we're going to put it in a bowl. This is so sticky, guys. So be patient.
After we put the bananas in the bowl, we need 1 cup of skim milk, 1 cup of EPF, and 1 cup of powdered milk. So after we put the oil pieces that we needed, we have to mix them. So after we mix them, we need to put a little bit of condensed milk. After we put the condensed milk, we need 1/4 teaspoon of styrene. And then mix them well.
This is how it looks when all ingredients are mixed. And after that, we're going to cook it.
So let it cool first before shaping it like a zipper. Okay, it's already cool. So we're going to shape it in a zipper. It's already done. So this is the final product of our banana pastillas. So for today, that's thank you very much.